Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Lincoln MKZ in neutral. This is a crucial skill for various situations, like towing or moving the vehicle when the engine is off. We'll cover the standard procedure for models equipped with the electronic push-button shifter. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps, ensuring you can safely manage your vehicle in different scenarios. For the standard procedure, first ensure your vehicle's ignition is on, but the engine does not need to be running. Next, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. With your foot still on the brake, locate the N button on your center console's shifter panel. Pressing this button will engage neutral, allowing the wheels to spin freely. Remember to always keep safety in mind during this process. In situations where your engine won't start, or for towing, there's an emergency neutral release. You'll typically find a small access panel or cover near the shifter buttons on the center console. Carefully remove this cover to reveal a lever. Pulling this lever will mechanically shift the transmission into neutral. This is a vital step for safely moving your vehicle when electrical power is unavailable. Safety is paramount when putting your Lincoln MKZ in neutral. Always engage the parking brake immediately after selecting neutral, especially if you're on any kind of slope. Never exit the vehicle while it's in neutral without the parking brake firmly set. For the most accurate and model-specific instructions, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual. Staying safe ensures a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.